So good afternoon, everyone. My name is Raj Singhal, founder of Finboa. Finboa is a SaaS process automation platform specifically designed for banks and credit unions to solve the compliance problem. We have 47 customers nationwide, and we're looking for $1.2 million to get us to 500 customers over the next 5 years. Finboa is solving a massive problem. Banks spend billions of dollars on fraud detection and prevention, but fraud still happens. Banks note about 70 million claims annually in their systems. That translates to over $20 billion in potential losses. These losses are not only borne by the bank, but the cardholders, card processors, and card networks like Visa and MasterCard. On top of all this, banks spend an additional $1.2 billion just to resolve and respond to these disputes. We expect this to continue to grow at a 15% year-over-year rate. The explosion in electronic transactions is as much an opportunity as a risk for banks. When a consumer reports a fraud to their bank or credit union, a complex and highly regulated process kicks off. To ensure consumers are protected, banks must follow Reg E guidelines when resolving a claim. So today, banks use a manual process involving spreadsheets or a patchwork of technologies. These are inefficient, increase the risk of fines and audits, reduce the accuracy, and utilize very expensive incremental resources to complete disputes. The impact of compliance failure is disastrous. USAA paid over $15 million in fines for not resolving claims properly. This very public notice had a massive reputational impact on USAA. Finboa solves this high-risk problem using robotic process automation. Take as an example Jessica Quick with Security First Bank. Before Finboa, it used to take her an hour per claim. Now with Finboa, she simply clicks a few buttons and she's done. The Finboa workplace has three main components to disrupt the other technologies or competitive solutions in the market today. The first is a great customer experience. Customers can sign electronically on the device of their choice, and more recently, they don't have to make a trip to the branch anymore. Robotic process automation gives the back office a simple list of compliance rules to select from, and the process automation takes care of the rest. And then finally, the digital compliance component ensures that all deadlines and requirements are being met so the banks stay compliant. Our market is 10,000 financial institutions, and in talking to them, we found that they have at least 10 or more processes in critical areas that are being managed via spreadsheets. You know, Finboa has had a great journey. We started about 2 years ago with our MVP. We focused on just one rule, which was Regulation E. And today we have 47 customers using Finboa for a couple of different solutions. We've achieved $300,000 in annual recurring revenue. And for the future, we see 20 plus rules that we can take our technology, apply our technology to. Examples are like BSA, AML, and many others. Our motto at Finboa is death to spreadsheets. Just yesterday, I got an email from a customer that said, "I'm so happy I don't have to use my spreadsheet anymore." Banks spend over $4 billion a year in process automation. This gives Finboa an awesome space to grow, continue our growth in. Our business model is pretty simple. As a SaaS solution, we charge an annual subscription. We offer our solution in two different categories. The quick and easy solution that banks can deploy in a matter of weeks which starts from $5,000 to $20,000 for small institutions. Larger institutions that deal with thousands of disputes a month would see our larger enterprise solution that starts around $60,000 per year. We have a team to execute on our goals. Myself, I have over 29 years experience delivering solutions to banks. John Griffin brings over 30 years experience in customer success. And John and I have worked together for many years. We've seen our kids kind of grow up, so we know each other really well. Kathleen Lasko recently joined our team. She brings years of experience in marketing and demand generation at global enterprises like HP. David Hunkley brings years of sales and revenue growth experience to our team as an advisor. We're asking for $1.2 million to give us a 24-month runway to get to 500 customers in 5 years and $10 million in revenues. Our deal flow positive. We've achieved product market fit, and our product has shown extreme stickiness. We're seeing over 95% of our customers renew every year. We have opportunities to upsell and cross-sell to new and existing customers. And for the last 2 years, we've seen 80% year-over-year revenue growth. I invite you to connect with us to see if we fit into your investment portfolio. You can connect with us using my email on the board. The QR code will connect you to my LinkedIn profile, or you can use the calendar link umbrella. I look forward to talking to you and connecting. Thank you.